And welcome back to Tim's Trains. So, same evening, trains running. We've had a bit of a quick change. This is why I haven't stuck the track down yet. Previously we had the Y point running roughly here to diverge these two tracks, and I was having trouble with it. It went left back to the main line, no problem, but it didn't want to turn right. It kept derailing. So I've removed the little Y point, and you can see I've probably put it in because the time I was building this I was still buying track and sorting out what I had. But if you can see the difference in the Y point's divergence over the standard point, yeah, it's diverging quite a bit. It's a lot shorter. You notice the length difference, and presumably that was the problem. So I've robbed a left-handed point from over there, or it'll have to be replaced. I'll get another one. The Y point came in a job lot. It seemed to work as a siding point on the loop in the living room, in the conservatory, when it was on the table, but it didn't like it here. And this very same engine was just derailing. It wouldn't go over those points when I tried to send it straight. Now, of course, sending it straight fires it straight into that tunnel, which is a dead end. So I shall have to slow it down before I send it straight again. But just to show you how you can play these track geometry games, so I whipped that out. Quick swap of bits of track. Thankfully, it seems to have centralised back on my bridge, which I've stuck down, and we've got it running straight. So we'll just turn the power down a bit so that when it gets over here, you can see it coming now. Oh, that kills it. It doesn't want to go straight, does it? No. Let's have to shut that one. I don't know, that's killed the power. Oh, that kills the power, doesn't it? No, it doesn't want to go straight now. So it's all working beautifully. Maybe it's causing a feedback loop or something. I don't know. Anyway, it will run if I do that. But it certainly doesn't want to go straight. Now, is that killing the power? Diverting it down here? Or is that point faulty? Perhaps that point's faulty. Anyway, that was a second-hand one because, as you can see, the wire's been cut off. Somebody removed it from a layout. And maybe they removed it because it was faulty, and they were very naughty, and they then sold it on eBay as a used working second-hand point. Perhaps it was never a used working second-hand point, and it never worked at all, because the Y point did at least try going in this direction. The power ran. So, oh, look at that. Faulty point, perhaps. Maybe. That's why it was on eBay as a part of a job lot. It was a duffer. So, anyway, I shall no doubt resolve it. But just to let you know, these are the issues you get. What I'll promptly go and do now is order a new left-hand point. In fact, probably a pair of them. Not cheap, I know. Sorry, this stuff ain't cheap. But clearly that point's faulty, because it ran with the Y point but wouldn't carry the train. The power went, but now it's killing the power. So my guess, faulty point, somebody stuck it on eBay. I can't remember where I got it from, but yeah, it's probably a dud. So we go over there and give that engine a nudge, which you have to sometimes when they stop. Or has it thrown the trip? It has, it's thrown the trip on the, there you go, press the reset and it's off again. Now, that suggests that if it's thrown the reset, that it is a faulty point. Oh, yeah, the point's controlling the power here and it shouldn't be. So, you see if I move that one, oh hang on, that one kills as well. I don't know what's going on there. Well, maybe it isn't faulty. They are supposed to direct the power, these points. That one kills the power. That one doesn't. Oh, neither does that one now. Now it's back out on the main line. That's going to be a headache, isn't it? Well, there we go, folks. Fun and games with electrical conductivity. So, just to let you know, these are the sort of issues you're going to have. I shall no doubt get to the bottom of it at some point. Thanks very much. Good night.